Ito po ngayon pumila pang Team Caspo for the championships right now between Airport United. This is the AFL Aviation Friendly AK Dabas Dab as a Flying League. Mamaya po yan, back-back action po tayo between CAS clad in white, green, and blue combination versus of course Airport United. Thank you po, and good luck po sa inyo. Okay, so Coach Owen, again, ito na po tayo. You will tango no after maybe 5 minutes po sa Team Airport United. Sir, ano po ang what's in your mind right now? How to beat this team?
Wala naman special. Play the game lang. Just wala naman special.
Yung paano?
Same play.
Ano po, ikaw po, ano mga sample po sa mga manonood po itong mga video ito mamaya po sa laban niyo? What to expect po? Yung mga manonood po ng mga video ito?
Depends sa
Sa matinding defense. Okay, sir, hindi mo na kayo papa. Magbabawa pa sila and also you have to sir. Okay po, congratulations sir and also good luck. Thank you kayo. Ito po rin po ha. Mamaya po yan ha. Team CAS versus Team Airport United. Ito po yan. Kawin na lang. Kawin na lang po. Yan, kawin na lang po ha. Okay, thank you po. Thank you po. Ito naman po ang Team Airport United clad in black, yellow, Lakers Motif Edition. Away po yan. They'll square up against Team CAS po. Mamaya po yan. Muli po, good luck po sa inyo. And also, this is your AFL Aviation Friendly Cup as the Flying League Championship match for the second season. Team CAS versus Team Airport United. Thank you po. Okay, thank you. Okay, Melvin. Okay na, championship na to Melvin. Ano ngayon na naisip po yung Melvin para bago kayo maglaban ng kalaban yung Team CAS po?
Kailangan talaga teamwork tapos talagang hustle kasi wala nang bukas to. So,
Winner go home na to.
So, dapat lahat
Taksa ko dito.
kaya kailangan lahat ng players is sa bola tapos teamwork talagang kahit pag-goal sige lang kakayanin para masubitunin namin yung second time.
Depending champion pala kayo, di ba?
Sana makuha uli namin. At syempre sana walang injured sa ball.
Sige, okay. Muli po, Melvin, hindi ko na papantayin pa. Ilak na lang sa inyo, pre. Hello. Okay, mamaya po ha. Again, muli po, ito po ang Team Airport United clad in black. Lakers motif po yan. Away motif po yan. They'll square up against po Team Qatar Aviation Service in Team CAS po. Maraming salamat po. Mamaya po, bakbakan action po tayo between Airport United versus Team CAS.
Okay.